Hey guys, this is Brad from Blue Nile Farm. Today I'm going to show you one of my major chores in addition to the one I've previously posted about how we put horses out. This is how we bring horses in. You know, over the years I've had over 100 some horses that have actually been at my stable, and we've dealt with them a lot of different ways, and we used to basically bring in each horse one at a time. And it got to the point now where horses know their stalls, some of them. It's easier to bring in groups, and I get tired of spending my whole day bringing them in. So you'll get to see down the aisleway some of the craziness that goes on because each horse is a little different. You know, some will tear down the aisleway, some will go real slow, some will be all cautious. You know, some of them can't find their own stall on their best day. So you'll get to see kind of the personalities. But we try to make as few trips as possible. We let groups out, and you'll see how some of them handle. Some have to be brought into their stalls. You know, some have halters on, some do not. Some I just put a rope around their neck and I lead them in, and it's all good. So enjoy the video. Hopefully you get a taste of this and see what I deal with on the daily night after I come home from work. So enjoy the video. Before I get started, I just want to add too that this video was shot over 2 days. One was a little bit earlier, one was a little bit later. And generally I wind up bringing horses by myself, but sometimes I get help. And a lot of people are more intimidated when we bring horses in because of them crowding at the gate, and it becomes to be a fiasco. And I'm just showing you the way we deal with it. And you know, the more horses you have, they have a specific order coming in. They create that order, and it makes it a little challenging because a lot of times you got a lot of pressure of horses wanting to get out of the gate sometimes, and it causes havoc. But overall, I've been dealing this every day, 365 days a year, and it's pretty simple for me. So enjoy the video, and hopefully you get kind of a taste of what it's like when you bring in more than 2 horses, because there's about 17 coming in. Willie, Roper, let's go. Come on, Roper. Come on, Willie. Roper, come on. You're out of sync. Well, we're going to be out of sequence here. Come on, Roper.
Come on, let's go. Is Roper coming?
on, dude. Come on, all the way down. Come on, Aaron. So folks, that's what I do every single night as far as bringing in horses by myself. It's really not too bad. They know pretty well what they need to do, and they have to come in with a specific pecking order. You know, they come into the stalls, they all have their grain, they all have their hay, and they're pretty happy when they come in. So it works out pretty good. In the evenings, like when it was summertime, we put our horses out at night, And in the wintertime when it's cold, we put them out during the day. And they always have access to hay throughout the year. And you know, they come in and they're pretty well fed. So again, thanks for watching, guys. You got a taste of what I deal with every single day. And a lot of you guys that have horses, you know exactly how it goes. But it is a big difference between handling a lot of horses and handling one or two. And it's always a personality issue. And as you can see, some of them come in hot and some not. So with that said, that's horses. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys soon.